It's our first recap. You should have content and examples for the following points that relate to your life, interests, career goals, and brains. You might also have some doodle stories or scenarios to help you remember and process why documentation is important in project management. There are 4 main scenarios in a project that require clear, descriptive documentation: summarizing the situation, sharing the progress status, requesting resources, and directing actions. You also need the basics of ethics with project management at the core, have notes for what acknowledge, move, and redirect means as a strategy when things need to change. How do we acknowledge the key deadlines, the details of what happened, don't hide it or avoid it? How are you going to explain the path forward with a clear plan and logic? And what do we do to redirect attention to the new deliverables, outcomes, and schedules? Have examples of how documenting all the things that happen in a project can help you better manage the next project too. That completes section 1 of this lecture. Please take a long break to let your mind refocus. Try to take at least an hour off or even come back another day. When you're ready, continue on to section 2, which will be about the genres of project management. Section 2.